My name is Edmund Kofi, and I'll be presenting on how to move a character on the LCD screen using push buttons.
So, as I said before, I'll be explaining the code beginning now. So, we have our variables, which are our libraries, which are the liquid crystal dash underscore I2C.h, and then the one below. They are both used for the operation of the LCD in the code. So, below that, we have our push buttons, the pins. So, each number beside the buttons labeled are the button location on the Arduino kit. So what this means is that wherever you see a number, let's say 6 in the code, it will be connected, the button will be connected to the number 6 of the Arduino kit. That will be the portal 6. So as you can see, for the up button, we have it on port 6, the down button port 10, the left button port 11, and the right button port 9. So the cursor positions. On the LCD screen, we see that we have two horizontal lines or two horizontal rows. Yes. So for the first row, we put 0 beside it, and the second we put 0 beside it. What this means is when we start or run the code, the character that we are moving on the LCD will appear on the first space in the horizontal row. So in our void setup, we have the LCD ins and the LCD clears. So this initializes the code and this clears the whole LCD so that whatever previous character or whatever previous location a character was on, will all restart. So we've done the set cursor on X and Y. So we initialize these spaces so that the cursor can move in between, or it can alternate between the first horizontal row and the second horizontal row. So what the print X means is when we start the code, X will be the character that will show on the LCD screen. So we are moving on to our second. So for the void, the second loop, we have if statement. We have our if statement around. Yes. And also previously, as you can see, we have the pin mode. We have the pin mode, the up button, the down button, the left, right. We have the pin mode, the up button, the down, the left. So it means that each button that is high and each button that is low. So what this means is when we press the button, it means that it will be on, so that will be high, and when we stop pressing it, it will be off, that will be low. So moving on to the loop, we have the digital gate and the up button. So we made it low and Y, which is greater than 0. So it will move the cursor back one. That will be 200. That will be the delay will be 0.2 seconds. The delay will be 0.2 seconds. So for this one too, if the button is pressed, it will move the server down, and the duration will be 0.2 seconds. For the previous one, if the button is pressed, it will move the server up. For this one, if the button is pressed, it will move the server up, and then the delay is 0.2 seconds. If the left button is pressed, it will move the server to the left, for 0.2 seconds, and the same thing goes for the right button. So when we move the server, we'll have a new variable being made, and then the set cursor will be on the line X and Y. So that will mean that when we move the variable, when we push a button, the line can move to either the X or Y line, and the print LCD clears any old positions, and that's it. So when we are done with the code, every function that we have made or every component will be run. Thank you.
So I ran the code before. So as you can see, it's beginning at 0. So we press the button. I press it twice, so it moves twice. I press it again, it moves again. Sorry for the altercation, but the push button, the lights from the LCD is too bright. So I'm pressing the second button and it's moving back. That's to the left. So I'm pressing the third button and it's moving down. And then the fourth button and then it moves up, back up.